Pre-trial hearings underway in the Ahmaud Arbery murder case. 3 men accused of killing Arbery trying to get possibly damaging evidence against Arbery presented in trial. Our Haley Mason live in Glenn County with the very latest. Haley, you made your way there last night. What are you hearing in court today?
Hi there, Karen. Yeah, before we get to that, I just want to kind of set the scene about what we see each time we come to Brunswick for these hearings. Just take a look behind me. You see a man selling T-shirts with Ahmaud Arbery's image on there. He says he works with the father and that the proceeds go to help youth in this community. Behind me, we have families sometimes coming out to the lawn to just stream and watch this hearing. That is just how involved this community is in this case. And of course, we are here because today is the start of 2 days of pre-trial hearings where the biggest issue brought up will be, will this judge allow evidence of Ahmaud Arbery's past mental health challenges and past run-ins with law enforcement? Will the judge allow that to be evidence in this trial? That's being debated right now as they're in a quick lunch break. But we are bringing you this video via video screen because of the pandemic. Take a look, though. You can see in the glasses and the mask in the middle of the screen is Travis McMichael. William Roddy Bryan is in a white mask and wearing a silver tie. And Gregory McMichael is a little bit off screen sitting next to his attorney in the orange. Now, the McMichael's defense attorney, Jason Sheffield, he is arguing that evidence of Ahmaud Arbery's mental health challenges and past history with police should be included in this trial to show jurors possible motive that Arbery had for going into that Satilla Shores neighborhood and looking through that vacant home before he was chased down by the McMichaels. The defense is going to be calling 8 different witnesses to talk about various run-ins that Arbery had with the community or police. The problem, though, the state says, is that the McMichaels had no knowledge of any of Arbery's past history. They say it's completely irrelevant to what happened on the day of the shooting. The state is attempting, they say that this defense team is attempting to malign Arbery's character instead of focusing on the facts of the shooting and the incident. Take a listen at some of that exchange in court.
Mr. Arbery, starting back in 2013 and moving through 2017, 2018, and 2019 and into 2020, had a pattern of conduct and behavior, had a pattern of other acts that included theft crimes or attempted burglary crimes, or when confronted about his actions, his response to that is to get angry and aggressive, physically and verbally.
And they said, a question is, well, he's in a neighborhood he does not live. Last time I checked, this was the United States of America, and you could go anywhere you wanted.
And so that was this state's new lead prosecutor in this case. Bryan's attorneys earlier tried to get the Cobb County DA's office thrown off of this case for political reasons. The judge pretty much said no. We'll be following these witnesses that are going to be speaking about Ahmaud Arbery and how the state fights back on that and bring you that information this afternoon. Reporting live in Brunswick, Haley Mason, CBS 46 News.
And you've been our expert on this, Haley. A lot of changes actually coming from Cobb County as well, the prosecutor that was handling this case. So we'll talk about that at
certainly
4.
Certainly will, Karen. Thank you.
All right. That's Haley Mason.